Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen T-cross Life 1.0 TSI M5F 95HP 5-door in sleek white. This estate Art Jeep boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and a host of features including Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and lane departure warning. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. Stylish roof rails and a stop and start system add to the allure. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-notch ride. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more details.